Walking is one of the most underrated exercises. Many people think fitness has to be intense, but simple movement can be incredibly effective. Walking improves heart health. It strengthens your muscles. It burns calories. It reduces stress. Best of all, walking is easy to start. You don't need a gym. You don't need equipment. Just comfortable shoes and a few minutes. For beginners, start with 10 minutes per day. Walk at a comfortable pace. As you build consistency, increase to 20 or 30 minutes. You can break it into shorter walks if needed. Walking is gentle on the joints. This makes it perfect for all ages. You can walk outdoors, on a treadmill, or even around your home. To get more benefits, swing your arms naturally. Stand tall. Keep your core lightly engaged. You can also add small challenges. Walk slightly faster. Add hills. Or increase time gradually. Walking consistently improves energy levels, helps with weight management, and supports overall health. Remember, fitness doesn't have to be complicated. Small steps taken daily lead to big results over time. If you found this video helpful, check out our shorts for more simple fitness tips. Subscribe to SimpleFit Daily. We give beginner-friendly workouts and healthy habits you can stick to.